Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Name of the lecture is Use Body Language to Your Advantage. One message. English literature gives aesthetic culture of Westerners. Coming to the topic, mend your speech a little, lest it may mar your future. This is the advice given by William Shakespeare. Body language changes while speaking to a girlfriend or boyfriend or boss. The body never lies. Body language is non-verbal communication. We already know, discussed in almost all the lectures. Over 7 lakh forms of non-verbal communication are there. 7 lakh forms of non-verbal communication. Words are building blocks of communication. Non-verbal communication has more sway than spoken words. Non-verbal communication has more power than spoken words. Body language 55%, we know that. Paralanguage means size, pauses, etc. 38%. Body language 55%. Paralanguage, that is size, pauses, etc. 38%. Verbal communication, words, account for mere 7%. Body language 55%, paralanguage, that is size, pauses, etc. 38%, verbal communication, that is words, 7%. We already know in earlier lectures, we already learned it. That means 93% of communication is done on a non-verbal level. Person's real intentions can be gauged from his gestures, facial expressions, hand motions, and other non-verbal cues. Most smart interviewers believe the non-verbal communication. Some body language is subconscious. With forethought, control your body language, otherwise it may betray you. Positive body language, let us see. Leaning forward, firm handshake, confidence, eye contact, sincerity, hand gestures, natural tone, pitch and pace of voice, openness and honesty. This is positive body language. Negative body language, leaning back and look down, lack of confidence, weak handshake, nervousness, soft voice, folded arms, anxiety, playing with jewelry, stress, dishonesty. This is negative body language. Body language forms. Eyes are windows of the soul. Eyes communicate our deepest feelings. They improve public speaking. Facial expression. Emotions during your speech can be easily expressed through your facial expressions. Gestures. Gestures send visual signal to an onlooker. Physical movement of arms, hands, legs, head nods, etc. These are the gestures. Appearance. Appearance conveys certain message which influences the receiver's attitude. Wear, dress up, hair, jewelry, etc. Physical appearance provides first available data about you. Silence. Most important form of communication is silence. Ways to improve body language. Don't cross your arms or legs. Have eye contact, but don't stare. Take some space. Relax your shoulders. Not once in a while to signal that you are listening. Don't slouch. Sit up straight. Lean, but not too much. Smile and laugh. Keep your head up. Don't fidget. Fidget is making small movements. Keep a good attitude. Okay? Before closing this lecture, I'll give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem. Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into two kinds, two parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills. What are soft skills? There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They're all there. So These soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why. See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.